Good morning. Today we will talk about how to multiply integers. The multiplication of integers, it's very easy because it's similar to multiplication of whole numbers. Except the sign of the product, it needs to be determined. It means it depends on the sign of the factors. Let's see the first example. If I have 2 multiply 2, we know that it's 4 because positive number multiply another positive number, the answer should be positive. And the numbers itself will not be affected by the sign. We will multiply it normally. So 2 times 2, 4, and my sign is positive. Then the next one. If I have negative 2, multiply negative 2, the answer will be 4. It means that negative number multiply negative number, the sign on the answer should be positive. And for the numbers, multiply it also normally. 2 times 2 is 4. Negative times negative will give me positive. The third case that we have it in multiplying integers, if you have a positive number multiplied by negative number, your answer will be negative. And for the numbers, it will not change. 2 times 2, 4, the sign will not affect your numbers. Okay, so we said positive times positive, positive. Negative times negative, positive. Positive times negative, negative. And to make it more easier for you, we have one tool that we can use it for multiplying integers, which is Mickey Mouse tool. Okay, look at this tool. You have in it the 2 subtraction signs up and the addition 1 only and it's down. This tool I can use it for multiplication. Also later on I will tell you that we will use it on the division. How can I use this tool? If I have 2 factors and I want to multiply them, I will cover the signs of the factor. Let's see, for example, if I want to multiply a negative number, so I will cover a negative sign, multiplied by another negative number, so I will cover the other negative sign. Now we still have one visible sign, which is positive. The visible one will tell you your answer, the sign of your answer. It means your answer should be positive in this case. Let's see another case. If I have a positive number, so I will cover the positive, multiply a negative number, so I will cover the negative sign. Now which one is visible? Yes, it's negative. It means my answer should be negative. Let's see how can we apply this on some examples. Question number 1. If I have negative 6 multiply negative 7. First multiply the numbers normally. 6 times 7 equals 42. Then watch the sign, negative times negative. So cover with your hand. One negative, the other negative. Now the visible one is positive. So your sign of the answer should be positive. Number 2. 5 times 4 equal 20. I think it's very easy. Both are positive. I will not use here the face. No need for it. We know it from before that any positive numbers, the answer will stay positive. Number 3, if I have 3 which is positive, multiply negative 2, what will be the answer? You will also multiply first the numbers. 2 times 3 is 6. Then I have to watch the signs. 1 positive, cover it. 1 negative, cover it. Now you still have what? You still have the negative visible, so your answer should be negative, so the answer will be negative 6. And so on. By the same way, you can put in front of you the face and use your hands to cover the 2 factors, the sign of them. Then the sign of the answer will be appear to you. Also the multiplication, we can make it by using the repeated addition. For example, if I have here number 7 added many times, actually it's added 5 times. How can I write this as a multiplication sentence? My number is 7 and I will multiply it by 5. Yes, because it's added 5 times, so it's easier to multiply by 5. So 5 times 7 will give me 35. Both are positive, so my answer is positive. Another example, if I have negative 6 plus negative 6 plus negative 6. Here, negative 6 is added 3 times. It means I can multiply negative 6 by 3. And I have one positive, one negative. My answer will be negative. 3 times 6 will give me 18. So, the repeated addition, we can write it more easier by using the repeated multiplication as we know from before. Thank you so much.